a 2021 SQ5. Now, we've already done this one before. We deleted the middle resonator for him initially. If you want to check that video, check the link down at the bottom of this video, and you'll see when we deleted the middle resonator. All right, so he came back to us and said he wanted a little more, and he had 2 baby resonators up here in the front. So we went ahead and cut those out and replaced it with some pipes, and now hopefully we'll make him happy this time around. If not, we can always make it louder. But let's bring it down and fire it up. Dev, you got me?